Honey? Honey, what are you doing?
Oh, baby, I learned to play ukulele. And the tap dance.
But
Oh, also breakfast is ready and our taxes are done.
Oh, where'd you get all that energy?
It's amazing what a good night's sleep will do.
Amazing.
Good Morning Snore Solution. Stop snoring. Start living.
Side effects likely to include, but not limited to, increased alertness, relationship harmony, enhanced work performance, mood improvement, and a generally better life. Tell all your friends immediately when you experience any of these symptoms.